Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Our last video was on raising travel requests from any states in India across, interstate travel. But as you can see, a government has already added 20 states under service online portal. You can refer to our last video where if you wanted to travel between these 20 states, you can use that video. But Gujarat state is not covered under that video because the website, the URL for racing pass for interstate travel or as well as you can travel within Gujarat cannot be done from the service online website. So I would dedicate this only for Gujarating travel in between states of districts of Gujarat, or if you wanted to travel outside as well as come back to Gujarat. Let us quickly see how this can be done. You can open and Google search page on any of your device, iPad, laptop, PC, whatever it is, and just search for Digital Gujarat. Okay, I just tell you the spelling as digital, then Gujarat. So you can get an URL like this. Just click there digitalgujarat.gov.in. This is the URL, and when you load website you can see there right side on top there are three lines icon. Just click on there and scroll down. In this list you can see the last one as COVID-19. This is the option you have to click for racing COVID-19 pass from or to Gujarat. And you can see here when you got three options here. So what are they? This is pass for movement within Gujarat. The first one is for moving within Gujarat, and you can click on the apply now. And if you wanted to move out of Gujarat, this is the option. And if you wanted to come back to your native Gujarat state, and this is the option to apply for the same. So for example, I'll not take much time showing all the options in all the options. So let us go with one of the first option, pass for movement within Gujarat. If you click on this apply now button here, remember for the first time you have to make the credentials for login. This is only for the first time and it is very quick. You need to make a credential. So if you have a credential, you can log in here and start doing applying for the pass. Otherwise, or registered user can use this. Otherwise, you just scroll down. You can see in red, click for new registration for the citizen. So click here. It opens up an online registration form where you can give the details like date of birth, mobile, email address, and password. And you can retype the password and finally enter the captcha shown here and click on the save button. So I'm just quickly showing this process. When you give all the data correctly, you get an OTP on your mobile, something like this. Just copy the OTP or note down the OTP, come back to the website and enter in the OTP text box as shown. Now you can see here when you click on OK, data saved successfully. Click on OK and proceed to the website. So you are already again you come back already in the home page. You can go to login, click on the login button. So you are already a registered user. Just come down and select your login method. You can log in using email ID or mobile number which you have just previously given while registering. I just select as mobile number and give my mobile number and password I had set and give the captcha here and click on the login button. So you are done, good to go. You are logged in. You can see here on top right side log out button. That means you are already logged in. And on the scrolling page itself, you can see here options for lockdown exemption pass within Gujarat is the first option. Exemption pass for outside of Gujarat and from other state to Gujarat. So I click on the first option here, moving within Gujarat, which was the option we are trying. Options are almost similar except your source and destination address and some here and there vehicle details and stuff. I'll just show you the difference. So when you scroll down, you can see here moving within Gujarat, what are the things you need? Identity proof can be any one of this. Driving license, government ID card or ID proof of working in shop or office. Now there is one more. If you are moving in a vehicle, obviously you should be moving in a vehicle RC and other documents. So vehicle RC is the must, other documents is not must. Now you click on continue to service. When you click on continue, there will be a request ID and application and ID generated. It says as you can continue with this service, and click on continue button. And now if you scroll down, you can see applicant information. And now suppose you are going opting for this pass, please fill in all these details, friends. Applicant name, taluk, village, address, email, mobile number, all these things. And then you start putting across your what is the which category you fall into. You are any of this, please scroll down and see why you are traveling inside Gujarat, right? So in which of this category you are, gas person, anything private company, whatever suits for you, select it down. Enter all these details. What is your business, purpose of your request, from date to date, from time to time, from when to when you need the pass. Okay, so it is possible to raise for multiple days also here. And it's all scroll down box, you don't need to worry about it. When you select your district, your taluk will come automatically. You can scroll down and select your taluk, and then approval authority, all this will come. Vehicle details is must here. Driver details is also must, route details is also must, and establishment category is the last one. When you click there, you can see whether you are a commercial establishment, private, industry, whatever, you can select accordingly. And once you have filled all these details, please click on the next button. And it says I have filled it, so it says data is updated correctly. Click on OK. And here you have option for at the bottom, add passengers. Suppose you have multiple passengers along with you, you click on add passenger. You can see here you have to upload all the passenger details. Once you enter this thing, you can click on update button, and then you can click on next button. See here, when you if you have more passengers, again click on the add passenger button, you can add more. See, these are the I am selecting document type as Aadhaar. There are other details also, you can pick accordingly which that user is having. So once it is done, you click on OK, and you proceed clicking next button. If you want to add more passenger, you can click on add passenger. Now you can see we are almost done, and we are in an identity proof attachment. Okay, please select any of the photo identity proof. So these are the valid things: driver license, any government issued identification card and stuff. So you select it accordingly, whatever you are having, and you have to specify the document number also. Now I have selected, for example, driving license. I specify document number. After that, you have to click on browse button and click. Once the browse is clicked, you get something like this. You can attach from camera, or you can attach from the document section. So you already, if you have it as a document, a PDF or JPG, you can attach it. So once browse is done, click on the upload button. So you are uploading, in this case, driving license, because I have selected as driving license and I have given the number here. Okay, they have given this or this, both are mandatory, so you have to enter both. Now you can see here I just uploaded and click on OK button. You can see here document is attached, so I have uploaded my driving license as a proof. Now if you scroll down, let me try, there are other options, but if I try to bypass by clicking the declaration and OK, it says update vehicle RC. So apart from your identity, vehicle RC is also must. So whichever vehicle you are traveling, you have to enter the vehicle RC. You scroll up again, so this is the place you can see here, vehicle RC document number. So click check box, tick this, and then click the number here, enter the number of your vehicle here, and now click on browse button. I am doing that. Click on browse camera or with the document, and select your vehicle RC. Click on upload. Okay, certificate number is also must. I have entered the same certificate number. And now you can see when I click on proceed, document updated successfully. Click on OK button. See, it is done, so that you can even download it here, so it's enabled. Now you scroll down, these two things are not required, it's not mandatory, so only ID proof and vehicle RC. Click on submit button. You can see here data updated successfully. Click on OK. So your request is made. Now you are good to go. Now there are other two options. Now what we have tried out is a pass inside Gujarat, roaming inside Gujarat. Now we have pass for outside Gujarat. So, and again one more is coming back to Gujarat. Okay, so just let us try this option coming to Gujarat from other state. So last one, click here. So the other second option I'm not showing you. It will be almost similar. I don't want to waste your time. So when you come back to Gujarat, what are the things you need? Identity proof. Any of this identity proof is a must. Any one of this election, Aadhaar, driving, or any other, anyone. So you should have this, and proof needed in service attachment. There is something like other document. So this can be any other document like medical certificate or some stuff. So click on continue to service. You can see here again I have generated a request ID. Click on continue. Now these are the details you have to fill. You are getting, you are requesting for a pass to come back to Gujarat from any other state. So you fill all your destination address. Okay, that means in Gujarat where you are going to come, right? Because you are coming back. Now your vehicle details, route details, vehicle capacity. So how you are coming, by driving on vehicle or whatever you select it, or vehicle details here. Click on next button. You can see here data updated successfully. So you have filled in from destination address and vehicle details. Now next page you have to fill the passenger details, as you can already I have shown in the next previous section. So I'm not going to do add passenger again. I click on next button. If you have passenger, you can add there. Once passenger is added, your next button is clicked. You can, this is the page you are going to attach the proof of identity. So identity proof can be anyone. In the first page they had shown this. What are the things? See here, driving license, election card, Aadhaar card, or any other government issued. So make sure you have any one of this. Select it accordingly. And for example, if you select Aadhaar card, give your document number here. Tuck, tuck, tuck. This is the place you have to give the Aadhaar card number, and click on browse. You are going to upload Aadhaar copy here. If you click on browse, camera or document will open up, and then attach it. Once you attach, it comes like this document required. So now you have another option you can upload. After uploading, the second option is other document. Okay, this is also important because for example you are not feeling, you have example, you have a medical certificate. Okay, you will get preference. So it is like reason for travel. So any supporting document for urgency of your travel, please click and upload here, like medical certificate. Okay, give the number and upload here. Once it is done, click on I hereby declaration and click on submit button. You are good to go. You can, after raising the application, please wait for the authorities to verify and approve it so that you can start with. Please like our video if you like this, and I request you friends, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you once again. Dhanyavad. Bye.